Anybody want to have a cuppa with me? He's been running that blower for a couple hours now. What's going on with that? We'll try this out. Passion. An exuberant herbal infusion of hibiscus, orange peel, rose hips, and passion fruit flavored. Yeah, let's do it. Alright, so it's coming along. Good color there. Man, it's going to taste just as good as it looks. Alright, well, I call that good. For now, anyway. I don't know, is that sacrilegious to leave that in there? All right. Let's have a cuppa with me. Cheers. Oh wow. That is super flavorful. Yummy. I'm liking it. Hibiscus. Definitely. Passion fruit. Yummy. Alright, so I walked over, talked to that guy who was running that pump. Anyway, he was trying to fill 2 full-size mattresses, air mattresses, with this little pump, 12-volt pump he had bought off Temu. It was the most ridiculous thing I've ever seen in my life. They was making so much noise. Anyway, I brought my pump over and filled them up in about a minute, but don't buy anything off Temu, please.